Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I haven't sat here and talked to you guys, if that makes sense. Today I am going to be doing a one brand makeup tutorial, and that will be Wet n Wild. So first of all, I did do my eyebrows off camera because I didn't find no eyebrow product from them, so yeah. And I also no lashes as well, I couldn't find none. So I'm going to insert a little clip right now how I picked out all the makeup. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so I'm gonna get this for primer. I never actually tested a primer like this before. In a setting spray, so there's two. Matte finish and natural finish. Probably the natural finish. I'm gonna get this one. So I'm gonna get the regular one, which is this one, I think. Yeah, because this one says waterproof, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna get this one for eyeliner. Everything's super freaking cheap. Oh, there is. I already have blush, but I should get another one. Probably go with this one. And lipstick. This one's cute. Okay. I feel like I have too much brown. I should stick to the Okay, so I have this. I'm getting another blush. I already have one at home, but I'm still gonna get it. This spray, the primer, and the eyeliner, and the concealer. I'm not so sure about the color, but it will do. And then the foundation. And for lipstick, I'm gonna probably pick, I don't know, probably this one. This one seems a little prettier. So I think that's okay. So before I start the video, if you guys hear my baby or her iPad, sorry, she's right here. So yeah, she's playing and watching her iPad. So I'm going to start by priming my face. I am using the Photo Focus primer by Wet n Wild, which looks like this. So I decided to do this video because I don't know, lately I've been into drugstore makeup. I don't know why. I've been loving drugstore makeup, especially foundation, foundation, and what's the other thing? Concealer. So yeah. And Wet n Wild is perfect because it's super affordable and some of the products are amazing. So today is going to be my first time testing out their foundation. So let's do the foundation. So this is the foundation. I feel like it's going to be a little too dark for my skin, but we're gonna make it work. This is in the shade Amber Beige, which I feel like it's a little too dark, but we'll see. Oh, what the heck? This is cool. Oh my god, this is much easier for me. So my baby's right here staring at me like, Mom, what are you doing? Huh? You're like, what is that? So okay, I guess it's not that bad, the color. So far it's blending really nice. I'm an oily girl, so I feel like this foundation is dewy. I don't know. It looks really dewy. I don't know how this is gonna work for me because I get oily really bad on my forehead and my nose and right here. So we'll see how this works. Hi. So now I'm going to apply some concealer, which is this one right here, and I got the shade Light Ivory 840B. Okay, I feel like it's too light for me, but oh well. Okay, so the concealer I like, it blended so smooth, but I feel like it's not full coverage. So yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and do the rest of our face. So I'm going to be contouring and like setting my under eyes and my entire face with this palette right here. This is a contour palette. I'm going to use this contour and I'm going to use this powder to set my under eyes. So I'm using my beauty blender to set. Now I'm going to be bronzing my face. So this bronzer is so cute. It's like not so dark and not so light, so it's a really good bronzer. Hi. No, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. So now for blush, I am going in with this one. This one is called Mellow Wine, which is this really nice peachy color. I love peachy blushes, so yeah. Then I'm going in with this highlighter. It's so pretty. Just this one right here. So now I'm going to do my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using this cute little palette right here. I'm going to start by applying this color right here, which is this really nice light brown. I'm going in with this color right here. I'm also going to be applying that right in the crease of my eyes. Then I'm going in with this hot pink. Well, it's not hot, but it's like more like, I don't know, like a really nice pink color. So I'm just going to be applying it right on the crease, like so. So I'm going to be using my concealer to cut my crease. I'm going to cut my entire crease. I'm going to use this gold color right here. As you guys can see, it's so pretty, and I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelids. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So I'm going back with the pink shade. I'm just going to fix my crease to make my crease a little cleaner. And again, what I'm going to do is go in and make my crease cleaner and brighter. Like cute. So I'm going to be using the same color that I used on my crease. So I am going to be applying some eyeliner. I'm going to use this one by Wet n Wild. So now I'm going to be applying some mascara. I am using this one by Wet n Wild, which looks like this. So for lashes, I am going in with these ones. These ones are by Coco Lashes, and these ones are in Queen Bee. They look like this. For lipstick, I'm going in with this lipstick. This one is like a really nice orangey like nude color, and this one is in the shade 902C. I'm going in with this setting spray by Wet n Wild. So we came to an end, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I really like how this makeup came out. Like I said, it was like my first time trying out the foundation, and I feel like it's going to look oily throughout the day just because it was a little dewy for me. So if you're like dry skin, I feel like this foundation will like be good for you. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, give this video a thumbs up, and I really hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.